In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz on Google Forms like a pro. Whether you're an educator seeking to create engaging assessments for your students or just someone looking to have fun with friends, this guide will walk you through each step you'll need to design professional and interactive quizzes using Google Forms. So let's dive in and start crafting that perfect quiz. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Forms. Simply open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. If you're not signed into your Google account, you'll need to log in to access Google Forms. You'll be greeted with a simple layout featuring a few different options. Take a moment to explore some of the templates available, as they can provide a useful starting point if you're in need of some inspiration. Once you've decided whether to use a template or start from scratch, it's time to click on the blank option or select one of the templates to begin. As you open your form, you'll see a blank space ready for you to add your questions. A title is necessary to give your quiz context, so go ahead and click on the area that says Untitled Form and type in your quiz title. Remember, this sets the stage for your quiz, so pick a name that fits the content. Now, let's get those questions ready. Click on the Untitled Question section to start typing your first question. You can choose the question type using the drop-down menu on the right. Options include multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and even linear scales. Spend some time thinking about which type fits your question best to give your participants an optimal experience. For instance, use multiple choice for straightforward selections or checkboxes for questions allowing multiple answers. Next, focus on the settings to tailor the quiz to your specific needs. Click the gear icon at the top, which will open up a new window with several settings options. You can decide whether to collect email addresses, which helps in keeping track of who has completed the quiz and in sharing results. Within the same window, you'll find options for quiz features. This is where you'll toggle Make this a quiz to grant points for each question, set correct answers, and provide feedback for correct and incorrect responses. Don't forget to add a splash of color or an image to make your quiz visually appealing. Click on the palette icon at the top, where you can choose a theme color and add header images. Aesthetically pleasing forms can encourage engagement, so spend a few minutes adding these finishing touches. Once you're content with how everything looks and functions, it's time to share your quiz. Click the Send button in the upper right corner. You can email the form, share the link directly, or even embed it onto a web page. And there you have it. You've successfully crafted a quiz on Google Forms like a pro. By following these simple steps, you've created an interactive quiz that is ready to engage and educate your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore the various functionalities of Google Forms for even more tailored quizzes in the future.